Hi guys, how are you? This is my daddy and this is my mom and my brother. I'm going to teach you Shona.
All right.
Vura,
Vura.
iwe,
Anyway, okay. What else?
and chingwa. Chingwa is bread.
Chingwa is bread. Good job.
And Vura?
Vura is water.
Okay.
Vura is water. Okay.
And then
Good job. What else?
Maganegi, called saying in Zimbabwe.
Yes. Good job.
Phineas, do you know Shona?
Yes.
Yes. Tell us.
Sakul, sakul, good day, Zimbabwe.
You only know Magadi Sekuru. Guru is in Zimbabwe. All right. Good job, guys. Sindra, do you want to say something in Shona?
Magwanani?
Yes.
Magwanani, you know yala. Mamukase.
Makase,
Yes. Maskati.
Maksaski.
Yes.
Good job, guys.